Hi guys, it's me and Lego Boy. You guys are gonna be why am I outside? You usually are not going outside. Well, today today is July 4th. So want to say I want. Oh my gosh, yeah, Larry.
Dragon's also a fountain. He's super cool.
Fountain. Okay, that's
Kind of comes out of his butt too.
there's that.
Comes out of his
Look at the
butt.
dragon,
now. He's
Emma.
super
Why
cool.
did he need to come out with his butt?
Two of them.
Got two of them?
This is where we're gonna have. This is what we're going to get.
That is our last one.
Just that. Whoa! I guess we're
You have
lucky.
this guy though. That's cool.
Wait, can we get the cannon one right over there?
This one?
No, right there.
Oh, the tank?
Yeah.
Tank.
Oh, tank.
Look at the Pokemon ball.
Oh
saw
my.
that?
Oh yeah, I saw
What
that.
is it's straight next to the lollipop? Or...
Oh yeah, that's
Oh,
the
the last
Pokemon
one,
ball.
yeah.
Okay, guys, this is
That's
what we
also
got so
fountain,
far.
too.
Look at this. Look at this.
So if I was
Look
you, I was
at
getting
this.
this one.
We
And
got this.
I will not get the tank because we have the other ones.
Oh yeah, I
I'll
forgot.
get this.
Oh yeah, we're getting Pokemon. And we're getting some dragon.
That's what we want here, right? Yeah. This here. This
And we're
here,
getting.
this one. You noted this one? This one's back.
This one goes back.
That one goes
Where you
back.
gonna get
Blue dragon. That
Is that
one looks good. I guess that's what we're
Yeah.
getting for this one. I'll drink my drink. I never drink and we get to be at the same time.
No tienen este.
Now, but there's no more fireworks. I can finally kind of say. I can finally say like happy life or yeah, these are life forms. I'm trying to send it today. July 5th. Yesterday. It's gonna be the best video ever. July 4th. Yay! Yeah, I'm walking with my mom right here. I'm just walking with my mom. Wait, I'm going back to my little brother. I can't leave him behind. My Google fan. He's my Google fan.
Oh,
Soon, someday, my sister and my brother will have. What?
I like that.
I'm filming this. I'm filming. So, I'm not.
So I want to open it
Just
back.
kidding.
Sign that.
Sign.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna go with my mom. Are we leaving now?
Yeah.
That's all we're buying?
Yeah. What else do you want?
Okay.
The whole store.
Okay. This is just going to be part one. Oh my god! Oh my god! We also gonna have a lot of fireworks. God. We're gonna save our old ones. Most of our old ones. Barbecue time, barbecue time, barbecue. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe, like the video, comments below. What was the favorite movie you saw? And have a happy 4th of July. I usually always say this to my family, but I once I could say it for YouTube. Bye.